What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! Back at POHBOYS Garage, and tonight is the night that I get to drop the 240 engine in. But first, what we're gonna do is remove the bash bar.
I'm uninstalling the thing that I installed 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. He's taking it off once again, so we have some room. Because right now he's working on the little Camry, but so we have some room right here between the Camry and the 240. We're gonna drop it in. Let's make it again. I'm super stoked to get it in. Should be no issues at all. Everything should go in smoothly, right? It should go in smooth, no issues.
How we took it out.
Yeah, it's been a while, right? Like 2 years? It's been about two. I think it's been.
Well, it was in here
Year and a half.
the engine still.
Yeah, when it was
About a
in
year and a
here.
half.
It's been about a year and a half since the engine has been inside the 240. So I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like too once I put the headers and stuff on. So yeah, let's get to it. Woohoo! Woo! Look, there you go. It's cool, man. It's so cool seeing the car coming together after so many years. It's getting closer. Woo! Woohoo! What's up, everybody? Check that out. The engine inside the 240. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. It's been a while, but today I'll be buttoning up some stuff on the 240. And check this out. Woo! New design. POHBOYS design became a new garage tee. So we'll talk about that later. So there it is. It's already all in. I just need to move the old engine hoist out of the way. And I need to start putting it through. Spooling it through. Stringing it through. Go get some drive through. An easy way I found to put it back through, you remove these, and it just made it a lot easier to push it push it through. Alright, so here I am, have it through, snaked it through and over, goes underneath, all the way underneath, going down to the other side. I started connecting the fuse box just to get it out of the way for right now so it's not dangling everywhere. And I'm not too sure if I want to put on the alternator. Get the alternator out of the way and the power steering out of the way. So I think I will put those on now. I got the alternator on. Alright, update. Everything still looks the same. Check it out. Everything's still there. I got this bolted down, this bolted down, this bolted down. I strung it. I strung it through, all the way through, going this way, out. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Landed it, baby, first try. Good morning, everybody. I'm back in the garage, day 3, working on the 240 over there, putting in the wiring, the motor, everything else so I can start drifting. But I think today, all I want to do is a zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. Before I decide to work on the car, get underneath and get all oily and dusty, I need to take off my awesome POHBOYS hoodie. I think it's so comfy and badass. So if you want one, they'll be coming soon, your way. If you order one, then obviously I'll send them your way. But before I work on the car, that tray flip felt so good, so I'm gonna see if I could do a couple more tricks for you guys. Let's see what I got. It's hot, but I still got it. And all the brackets for the 240 seat aftermarket seat brackets. Here's a drive shaft. All right here. I want to get a one-piece drive shaft eventually, but stock is good for now. Next on the agenda, let's put the bracket on for the power steering. The bracket itself, let me get it, goes like that. It just goes back on it, nice and easy. I'll show you right now. Here's the bracket for the power steering pump, and this piece, this bigger piece, that 6R here, goes to the bottom. Piece on the bottom, and you get the longer one. You also got the two shorter ones. You just simply put them on with 12 millimeter. Next thing to do, grab this power steering pump. After you get your bracket on, you're gonna put your power steering pump, and don't forget you got your 3 bolts that go in between. First thing I do, I just kind of guide them in before I tighten them down with the ratchet, and then I'll just tighten them down. Go the right way first. There you go, nice and secure. Get a little closer look. Those 3 going in, your bracket, those bolts, and there's one more that goes right here. But I can't find it right now, since you already know the situation. But that's all done. Not too sure. Look at my little setup, little light setup. So I got light for you guys. Woohoo! All right, guys and girls and guys and gals, I'm calling it quits. I did as much as I can for the couple days I've been up here in the garage. But how'd you guys enjoy it? Do you like the episodes? Do you want something different? Do you enjoy the builds? I mean, right now, only thing we're doing is getting the cars ready to go out and do some fun stuff. But how do you like it? Comment below. Let me know if you enjoy the episodes and you just want us to keep going. Let's see. I know we have a lot of other things in mind after we get the cars going. Like, we're gonna start tracking the 240, and Shipwreck's gonna be tracking his RX-7 once it's all done. So you'll see us both. You'll see these cars, me and Shipwreck, on the track when they're running. Remember that design I was showing you guys about? Boom! Right there. Love it. After you watch this, there will be a link on the bottom. You'll be able to get yourself a pretty kick-ass hoodie, a t-shirt, and the t-shirts I made. They're a little bit longer than normal, only because I did it for a reason. You know how when you wash your clothes, it shrinks up a little bit on the bottom and you're just like, damn, I wish it was longer. I wish someone made a shirt a little bit longer. Well, I got you. So if you want a little bit longer t-shirt that's super comfy, an awesome comfy hoodie, just click the link below and you'll be able to get your badass POHBOYS merch. And anything that you buy from POHBOYS Garage will definitely help out the garage, the builds, and any badass adventures I could bring you guys along. So hit that like button, the notification bell, tell your buddies, tell your friends, tell your family to say, hey, go check out POHBOYS Garage. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Woohoo! Someone special arrived. So who it is?
He's got a mask on. He's getting a shot.
He has a mask on?
He's got a man.
Oh my god. Hey, woohoo! You gonna do some fighting? Some wrestling for us?
Yeah.
Come on.
Everybody come on. Everybody
Come on. We'll fight.
Come on, boys.
What's your fighting name?
Untitled.
Untitled.